Hello guys, welcome and we're doing a green kabayan. So we're with Nilo.
This is me, Flimmer.
Yeah.
Man, I sure do hope
Okay.
people.
I got Twin Nilo.
Yo, there's Titi!
We are the Twin Didos.
Yo.
What?
Yo, just look.
You should we troll the we should troll the e-daters. Please, because we are the Twin Didos. It's a lucky.
Bro, just look at his chat. Just look at. Man, I sure do hope those little people don't spot me. Where are you?
No. Yeah, bro. I think he or her talking about us. We're the twins. We are the twins.
That's Didi.
Let's make our speed and jump power. Jump power is 175 and speed just normal. It's just normal also. So it's kind of fitting because it's kind of cute. Yeah. But why is kind of cute? And why do you copy my avatar but
Like gonna
helmet? There's a helmet in there. Why the two looks kind of cute?
What
Well,
is
let's
the jump
roll.
power again? What's the jump power again?
Well, let's scroll down.
Yo, what's the jump power again?
175. 175.
One second.
Kind of cute to be honest.
I'ma change my speed to 30. Speed 30, like a cheetah. Yeah. Yes, I'm slightly faster.
30.
Very fast because he's a small.
Bet.
30.
The twin Dinos are powerful that dangerous. Now let's browse these e-daters. Let's start. Why are yeah, let's go to it. Let's roast this sauce. Okay. I don't know how to build it. You don't know how to build. Let me just I don't know. I don't know. Yo, your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Yo, they love my avatar. We are the twin Dinos. Site. Okay.
We are twins by the way.
Yeah. We are twin.
Man.
You blue, me green. Lol. Yo. We should make. Yo. I have idea now. We should make the boys jealous of us because we're cute.
Man.
But I'm not going to a date because no last time. Only our goal is to make boys to make their mans jealous of us, by the way, because we're cute. Why are we cute? Oh my god,
Yo.
oh my god, it's Curious George from Temu. Look, it's
Yo,
Curious George from Temu. It's Curious George from Temu. I missed that show, by the way, because it's a monkey like me.
I watched when I was a kid.
We're just a little George I mean, we're just a little Dinox just dancing around.
Yes, let's go. Come, come, twin, come, twin,
Bro,
twin,
I'm
come,
laggy.
come, twin,
Oh,
twin.
shut up. Let me. I'm laggy. Oh, my PC. Come.
Yeah, yeah, come, 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 come.
It's a super fun.
See them? Siya pakai super cool.
Oh my
Yes,
god.
twin,
It's
twin.
there.
That. It's gonna.
Oh my god. It's
Why are they
there.
tall? Why are y'all tall?
Y'all been there.
Why are y'all tall?
Oh my god. Cringe. Are y'all using them? Kill it. Um. We are the twins. They're confused of us. Not me.
Not trio again, trio.
Oh no. No, you have a
The trio.
trio now.
Yeah. Yucks.
Yay, we got.
Asembal.
Dino.
A momento.
Assemble. Imagine there's too many things, by the way.
And from fine, check it, check it.
The boss would be Simon. Simon right now. Dinox assemble.
I am the older Didok. I'm the older Didok.
And the middle Dinox.
He's the young Didok.
Yes. Imagine Jael joined us as
Trio.
the Dinox. Well, he left. Oh, never mind. We are the twin Dinox. Yo, they like our outfit. Bro, what? Bro, I think people is. I think people likes our outfit because we're cool, cute. Because we're cute.
Yes, we are the small boy.
Yes.
Why is there a bazooka? Some random dude has a bazooka.
The Dinox has better bazooka. Smallest bazooka in the world. I mean the biggest bazooka.
Yes, but
Yeah,
can one shot?
yeah,
Yes.
that can one punch you. Even though you got, it's just
Look, yeah,
a small explosion and you're dead. Small explosion and you're dead.
yo, bro, look at you. Look behind you. Yo, dude, behind you.
Alright.
Boy, what are you chasing? Why is he staring up our asses? To be honest, the voice is off.
Yo, part. Yo, yo. We are the
What?
Dinox. So this is the end. This is the end, guys. This is the end, guys. Goodbye. See you in a part 2.